Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create a Spotify account. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, download the Spotify app and tap on Sign Up for free. Now kindly type in an email you can access. After that, you'll need to fill in a strong password, your date of birth and gender. Now this is where you need to select 3 of your favorite artists. Now the last step is to go to your Gmail app and verify your Spotify account. As you can see, our Spotify account was verified successfully and we can listen to any music we want. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.